Bro, when you're doing these jumps, the main thing I worry about is hitting that cartilage, bro.
Yeah, you talking about that.
You ready, Phil? Take your deep breath in. Slow it out, slow it out.
I think that's more areas to cover.
I missed the first time. I had to go back to it, bro.
Yeah, Dustin likes missing.
Solid color in his hair. That more because he has white hair.
Might end up being too tight if it swells up.
But that felt like you went through something that long. That's weird.